Kia Soul. Customer complaint brakes. Typical front brake rotor warpage. Pads aren't bad, but I'll explain to you something here about the rear brakes. Look right here. See the spot, how shiny it is? Now there's some rust built up on there, but look right here. Look right there, how that builds up. Very important. And the reason is, yeah, brakes are usually 80-20, 80% front, 20% rear, but you don't have your rear brakes working right, and your front ones are going to wear out. I mean, you're going to have to replace your front brakes twice as often, and your stopping distance is totally going to be slowed. So, anytime somebody says your rotors are rusty, take a good look at them and make sure that it's not surface rust or it's hit and miss due to froze up slides. Cal Martin Cars, buddy.